How to set up Roblox Authenticator. So what you're gonna do is just go into any Roblox platform, but as long as you go inside your account settings. So in the website, it's found over here in the top right, and then the settings. So we're just gonna go ahead and press on that. So once we're here, we're just gonna go ahead into our security, and then scroll down until we find either this, which is the Authenticator app. Download an app on your phone to generate unique security codes, or this. So this one has the Authenticator app and additional hardware security keys. But we're gonna go with the general Authenticator over here, so we're gonna go ahead and toggle this. But before you can do this, make sure you have a two-step verification already set up. If not, it's gonna ask you to do so, and you're gonna go ahead and follow up with that first. But once you do, you're gonna go ahead and do this two-step verification. So first of all, in our case, it's a code that is sent to our email. We're gonna have to put this code over here. So you should be able to find this code in your email account in your Gmail, but once you have placed it over here, press on verify. Now we're gonna go ahead and use an authenticator app. So one of the recommended authenticator apps that they told us to use is Microsoft Authenticator. So we're gonna go ahead and search for that in our Play Store, install our Microsoft Authenticator, and just go ahead and set up your Microsoft Authenticator first. So fill in your information details, basically just get your account ready. So over here, we're on our QR code section. Just look for a QR code section in your Authenticator app, and in our case, it's over here in the right. We're gonna go ahead and press on scan the QR code, and then we're just gonna go ahead and scan the QR code of our Authenticator setup. And now it's just gonna go ahead and show up in our Microsoft Authenticator. But once that's done, you can just go ahead and use this Microsoft Authenticator to do whatever security process you want in your Roblox account. But that's pretty much how you set up your authenticator in Roblox. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.